Hi, I'm Heinbach. It's good to have you back. What I have here is one of my most favorite tape machines, an UHER Report 4000 monitor. And I love these machines because they're comparatively portable compared to my Nagras, which take a lot of batteries and are very, very heavy. This only takes 5 of these big D cells, which still adds a lot of weight. So when the sponsor of today's video, myvolts, sent me their latest Kickstarter project, I was pretty excited. With their new REVOLT system, they aim at nothing less than making batteries obsolete. In short, you've got this little AAA-sized battery, which is not a battery. It rather connects via this ribbon cable to a jack. And that jack you can then connect to one of their power cables to a USB bank, basically making batteries like this monster obsolete. The dummy batteries come in different sizes. So you got an AA battery here, where this just pops in. Simple. And then you've got a D cell, which I'll be using in this video. And there it also just clips in. Let's see if this works with the UHER Report. Okay. Works.
Batteries are effectively bad power. They're a bad power source. They're unreliable and die at weird times. And even if you leave them in your instrument, they start leaking, and damage your instrument. There's all these, terrible things to do with them. They're just unreliable. And to give you a few numbers on batteries, which are kind of startling, in the US, 3 billion dry cell batteries used a year. They're so insidious, in terms of they always end up in landfill. Even in the EU, 100 million tons of batteries go into landfill every year. So our solution is don't use batteries at all. It's a once-off mod that that device doesn't need batteries anymore.
well. I was able to power the UHER, the UHER ST50, which normally takes 4 baby cells, no, 6 baby cells, but the battery compartment is busted because those leaked at some point, not under my watch. And also the mood with 2 power banks and 2 ripcords and the REVOLT. So for going out with your music gear, this is a nice solution, even if it's just into your own noisy Berlin backyard. Thanks REVOLT for sponsoring this video. The Kickstarter is up today and I wish you good luck with that. And if you're looking for a solution, well, I think this works great. If you have any more questions, do leave them in the comments below or visit the subreddit. That's it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.